Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. Oh, there's some more stuff. Yeah. Okay, so the last video, we basically went through Zordoom Prison. And we got hooked up with Ratchet and Clank's little cell, which is back here. We have to try to free them. They're over here, they're locked up in that thing right there. And one thing I was kind of PO'd about, I kind of screwed up. I noticed I left this gold bolt and this raritanium back here. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to go back and get that at all. Well, I mean, I might be able to. And there's even one here that I missed. I missed this one. And this gold bolt. Well, no, this stuff is in the... This one's locked up in the cells, I think. That's locked up in these. So both of those are locked up in... I think the bolt is locked up in one of these cells over here. Over here on this side. There's a bolt up there. But there's some raritanium over here. Somewhere. I don't know where it's at. I think it's on the other side of that door. And I can't go back through that door right now. I'm thinking at some point I might be able to get back through there. It looks like I'm going to be coming back this way. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to get back to over here. I don't know how I missed that. I watched the last video back and I just walked right by it. And even this, I don't know how I missed this either. So that kind of stinks because we only have 2 bolts left in the game. I believe those are all the golden bolts and I need those bolts. Actually, I need the robots. I think we have all the robots. Let's see. Robots. Do I have all the robots? There's nothing that tells you if you do or not, is there? I think we have all the robots, which is a good thing. Because that's how you get the end game weapon, from what I understand. Nope. There's one robot left. It says I have 9 of 10, so there's 1 robot left. I wonder where that's at. That could be in the arena back at Zerky's. Anyway, so now we're supposed to go this way. We have to shut down the reactor. We got to go this way. Let's get some gold. Or bolts. Get some bolts. Might as well take some bolts. Oh, yeah. And off camera, I went in here and I actually did this little trial. So it was not as bad as I thought it would be because all I see is walking walls and speedles. And that's what it was. It was fast too because, you know, the speedles are like fast. You gotta like jump on the speedle and you jump over there, you jump on that wall, go over there, grab another speedle, jump on that wall, go over there, use a little swinging thing and go over there and then you get it and it's right over there. And I don't know why I can go back over there now. That doesn't make any sense. But anyway, we got the Praetorian chest piece. Where's it at? Here. Yeah, we got this. So I did that off camera. It was pretty easy, actually, even for me. Which if it was easy for me, anybody could do it because I can't ride speedles or do anything like that. All right, so what we got to do now, I'm not sure. We got to go that way. There's guys over there. There's also some raritanium up there. There's a big blob over there, so I don't know how much of this stuff is going to go south. Let's start out with this. The buzz blades. See what happens. How do I get that raritanium up there? Can I get up there from here?
I don't want to hurt you, but I will. Buzz blades incoming!
Can I get up here? Let's see. I don't think I can get up there. I gotta go over here from here, I think. Or, yeah, we gotta go this way.
That's the warden's office. Just have to use these platforms to get closer and go from there.
Be careful.
Whoa,
That
whoa,
is
whoa.
a long way down.
Wait a minute, I can't get up here? I can't, so I can go this way now, right? Yeah, we can go get this. Oh, I'm learning about hanging on things. Okay, that helps. What platforms? So I gotta go platform hopping, huh? Okay, that doesn't sound like fun. We'll leave that there. I don't need anything that's on that. Okay, so again with the up and down, up and down. Let's wait till it comes up and goes down, and I can at least go down on it. Okay, let's get this one. Oh, wait a minute. Can I swing? I can't swing, okay.
I should have realized how impacted you were by what happened with Kit. Do you think you could ever forgive her? Perhaps you should.
I don't know.
Just listen to the
That won't stop
dialogue.
me from saving her.
Now where am I going? Okay, I see a little wall walking thing over there, and I gotta go over there and grab that thing. Okay. Are you ready? Here we go.
Through that open access hatch. Almost there.
Alright, now where am I? Okay, so I'm gonna get back in here somehow, eh? Okay. Okay. Another fan I gotta bust open? Yeah. Ooh, arena fight. Didn't we do this once already, though? No, we haven't been in here yet, I guess.
Oh, please do not hurt me. I am only following the Emperor's orders.
Just stay out of my way.
Yeah, I think we were here once already, were we not? So what am I doing? I gotta go there, okay. Let's see if I can find the raritanium first. Ooh, we got some more buzz plates, that's good. Raritanium, where is it? Over here? No. Oh, it's this way. Oh, it's not here. Who knows where it is? Alright, let's go see what's in the computer. Any raritanium down there? Can't see down there. Okay. Alright, what are we gonna do? What kind of trouble are we gonna cause?
Emergency shutdown initiated.
Uh-oh. That's what, uh-oh, we're gonna set everything loose. This should be fun.
Rerouting power to the VIP section.
Ratchet's in a VIP cell, isn't he?
Yes.
You are a fool for underestimating me. Witness my power. My favorite window. No matter.
Alright, time for my little buzzblade guys here.
Enemy supplies waiting to do my bidding.
Attention! Riot in progress. Reinforcement capacity is at 56% and dwindling.
What?
Well, let's do this guy here.
You have not seen sun witness the vast and unforgiving strength of my leadership.
We have seen enough.
Not until I say so.
Reinforcement capacities at 42%. East wing has fallen into prisoner control.
Not the VIP section.
Oh, I leveled up again. Cool. He's hiding. Oop, I'm out. I can't hit him with this. Alright, what else we got? Here we go.
Send in everything! Anything!
Local reinforcements unavailable. Engaging emergency warp-in protocol.
You will pay for that! Did you think that?
Uh-oh. Alright, what do we got left here? Let's do this. Oh, I got him.
Security forces depleted.
We need to return to Ratchet and Kit before it is too late.
Yeah, just have to get out of here first.
The office is sealed. How do we get out?
Maybe that window leads somewhere.
The window? What's over here? Oh. Ammo. We good? I don't see any more ammo. Alright, so where are we going? We're going this way? Let's see. Where do we want to go? I guess this way, huh? Return to the VIP section.
I spot a rebel they need to capture!
Payback's coming!
Drop the ricochet!
Oh, this looks nasty in here, huh? Lots of stuff going on in here. So, oops, can't go out. Okay, we gotta go in. Who knows what's going on in here, eh?
Let's get some wrecked on!
It would appear we have new allies.
They're moving his cell again? Into maximum security.
I will start developing a
Let's try my new... Let's do this first.
Plan B.
Catch up to their cell back.
And where's my new bombardier?
Before they're locked away in the depths of prison indefinitely?
Or a Plan C, perhaps.
No, what I want. I want this. Nope. Ain't what I want. I want this. I see the gold bolt is right here. Let's take that.
This
Forget
was
that.
quite well hidden.
Got one left. I hope I can go back and get that other one. I got one more. I don't know where to retain them. Let's get these guys. Okay, we don't need that. Let's stick with this for now. Where we gotta go? Over on that side somewhere, eh? Or do I even have to fight these guys? Where's this guy? Yeah, there he is. Alright, where am I going?
Return to your cell at once. Not a chance to sign to dance.
Keep that cell in sight.
Uh-oh. Where am I at now?
I have it in my sight.
We'll need to find a way back up.
Perhaps we can use that rift tether to get us up to that platform.
Right there? That one? Who am I fighting? I don't even know who I'm fighting.
Up ahead! We can jump to that maximum security platform from there!
Where am I going?
That looked rather
Oh, that way. Oh, my health is down a little bit here. We gotta find some health. Hold on.
Nanotech around here.
Oh man, I'm getting beat up. Can't get any health. There's none around here. I'm gonna die. Wasn't paying attention.
That console! If we override it, maybe we can slow them down.
Return to your cell, or you will be banned from weight room access for 10 cycles.
What the hell? What's going on? What am I doing? I'm almost dead. Did I get health? I didn't get any health. I need some health. Come on, guys, give me some health. Who's fighting who? Okay, I can't get back
Maximum
that way
security
anyway.
power at dangerous levels. Systems malfunctioning.
Speaking of dangerous levels,
We've got you covered.
Finally! We're gonna get you out of here. There has to be a way
Priority
to stop your
transfer
seller.
initiated.
I will not allow you to escape the Emperor's glorious punishment. My glorious punishment.
uh-oh.
All right, how
This
are we
looks like
gonna
death.
escape? I've tried everything. Kit, any ideas?
Come on, kid, say something.
I have no ideas.
Really? Because you...
Rivet.
Warning, riot in progress. Giggle gas protocol activated.
Oh no! The room is filling with gas!
Hold your breath.
Ratchet, quickly, get us out of here. Hit those buttons to open the door.
Where? Really? Come on. What the hell? What am I supposed to do here? It said to hit the buttons. Okay, we're gonna hit the buttons.
Giggle gas protocol ineffective. Increasing gas levels. Oh no!
They're sealing off the area. They're sealing off the area. Hey! It's all falling apart.
Uh-oh.
Focus.
Yeah, I didn't have much life left in me.
Giggle gas protocol ineffective.
All right.
Increasing gas levels. Oh no!
They're sealing off the area. Hey! It's all falling apart. Just like the dimensions.
Focus.
I thought Kit was my friend, but she's a liar, liar, pants on fire.
She seems to deeply regret it. Now keep moving.
I am. I don't know where I'm going, but we're moving. Wait a minute. This is not good. Really? Come on. Oh, really nice. Thanks, game. Just drop you right there.
Giggle gas protocol ineffective.
Oh, you gotta do it all again?
Gas levels. Oh no!
Hey! It's all falling apart. Just like the dimensions.
What am I supposed to do here? I don't understand.
They're off the area.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do with the fire. I can't figure that out.
Protocol ineffective. Increasing gas levels. Oh no!
Hey! It's all falling apart.
Yes, it is.
Just like the dimensions.
Okay.
I thought Kit was my friend, but she's a liar, liar, pants on fire.
She seems to deeply regret it. Now keep moving.
Maybe. You're not gonna make
Tether
it.
onto that rift.
Still doing it? I guess I'm still doing it, eh?
Their
What am I doing?
cell. It went outside.
Okay.
There, quickly. We must slingshot onto that evacuation platform.
Ah, shit. Quickly. Didn't work. That didn't work. How do do I do that?
There, quickly, we must slingshot onto that evacuation platform.
I have no ammo though, do I? I get all loaded up with ammo again? Looks like I did.
Reinforcements are on their way. Ooh, and there they are.
Alright, Goonies, go.
Oh, come on! Now?
If they get away, we may lose them entirely.
Going as fast as I can! There's some troopers here who really want to see them go! Gotta hurry before their backup arrives!
I guess I gotta get out of here, huh? Is that what I gotta do? I don't know if I gotta get out of here or what. Yep, here we go. I can't, we're locked out.
How many troopers do these guys have?
Too many.
Are we done? I guess we're done now. Where am I? Oh, there's another guy over there. Wait a minute. Where's that guy at? Can't see. There they are.
Your hostility is...
I guess I have to defeat all these guys before I can do anything, huh? Did that thing open up yet? Or is it still locked? Still locked. Okay. Alright, so where? Oh, here we go.
I think that was all of them.
Not quite.
Ah, there's got to be one big baddie coming in, probably. Yeah. Where are the guard escorts? Is that those guys? I don't know. Must be. What is this guy doing here? Frogs? Where did he come from? I'm running out of... Here we go.
That was not pleasant.
One more shot, 2 more shots. Really? Alright, he's still not done yet.
Quickly, use that crank to pull the cell back toward us.
I need to get all my spoils in my...
Never escape. This place is surrounded, and your friend is being lifted away. There is nothing you can do about it now. Wait! You cannot do that! You cannot fire me! Not quit!
Yay! We saved him.
Someone call for backup?
Thanks for the save. Kit, are you...
Give us a minute.
We'll meet you at the ship.
Clank told me I should try to forgive you.
I am going back to Zavali. I never should have.
Wait! You're just gonna hide again? Now?
I am very... Truly, I am sorry, Rivet. For everything. I am not a good partner.
Well, maybe you could be. If you'd stopped to help me that night instead of running away, things could have been different. Or if you just told the truth, maybe...
Why do none of you understand? I am broken. I will always be broken.
Fine. Go hide. We have a universe to save. Universes, whatever. I don't need a partner anyway.
Wait, where's Kit?
She's not coming.
But...
How's she gonna get back to where she needs to go? Oh, back to Zerkies, huh? Okay.
Kit should be here.
She didn't want to be.
Only because she thinks she's dangerous.
And maybe she is.
So you're just gonna give up on her? Because you're afraid?
Says the big hero who's too scared to look for the other Lombaxes? At least my fear makes sense. Sorry. Sorry.
Zerkies, huh?
You're all okay?
The
Oh,
Morts.
thank goodness. We were so worried.
You can't stop us that easily.
What took you all so long? Hey, I think I know how we can find the Emperor. When you're ready to take the fight to him, come talk to me.
Okay, so we're back in
Phantom.
control
Thanks for
again.
bailing us out back on Zordoom.
You can always count on me to be in the right spot for duty calls.
Oh, there's no map here. Okay.
Hold that thought.
So we can still get... Oh, this thing's unlocked now. That's interesting. Manglers survive the resurrected Mangler. Fight with randomized weapons. A good time to zoom. Defeat 3 waves using the Headhunter. Oh, that sounds like trouble. Defeat Vroom Grooms at low gravity. Oh, there's the other bot. That's the only bot I'm missing. I'm going to have that bot to get the weapon at the end, aren't I? So I can pick any of these, though, that I want, huh? Zoom. Defeat Vroom Goons in low gravity. Wonder how many I got to defeat. Okay, so that's where I get the other bot, right there. That's the only bot I'm missing, I think, right? Yes, that's the only bot I'm missing. So what's the other collectible? Infinite ammo. Oh, I can get infinite ammo. Infinite ammo and infinite health, huh? Well, that's one way to win. That's one way to defeat the last of the game, isn't it? I might just turn that on because anybody that watches my channel
If we actually beat the Nefarii, and pause.
sorry. As I was saying, anybody that watches my channel knows I hate boss fights, and I'm sure that there's a massive boss fight coming up at the end of this game.
Sorry, 1 sec.
But what I did want to do, we got a couple minutes here.
Sorry, 1 sec.
How do we get out of here? Where's the exit? Is the exit? Here we go. I want to see if I can go back
Good thing
and
we're ending this now.
and get that
I don't
other
think the dimensions can take much more.
gold bolt. Let's see what she's got too. What the hell? Why not? What's the new toy?
Good merchandise when you see it.
I guess there's nothing left. Wow, I have 105,000 bolts. Okay. I really don't need any of these other weapons. I mean, I think I got what I need to finish the game out, especially if I have unlimited health and unlimited ammo. I could finish the game off. Upgrades.
Incoming.
Alright, let's see if we can... Where's the ramp? I don't want to fall off. I want to see if I can go back to that planet and get the gold bolt I missed. Let's see. That would have been this one here. I'm missing a gold bolt. That's all I'm missing. I know where it's at. Let's go back real quick. We'll land there and I might be able to just get it really fast. I don't know if there's... I don't know what I gotta do to get there. Let's see. If that's the only thing I was missing. Oops. Where am I? Huh. I have to go back here. Oh, maybe I can zoom back here. Is there a... There's a fast travel thing right here, actually. Let's see where this takes me to.
I wonder if Kit made it back to Savali.
Yep, I wonder that too. Poor Kit. Alright, where does this go to? The scrapyard. Let's see if where that is. Oh, she's like right here. No, I gotta get in here. Where does this go?
When the shooting stops.
The landing pad. Okay, so she's... So she says there's shooting happening, eh? Can I go this way and get to where I want to go? Ah, yeah, I can. Okay. If I go... Let's see. Hold on a second. I don't remember how I got over there. But there's two fast travel things there. I didn't really want to have a big long battle to get back over there. Okay, where's the landing pad? The landing pad is here. Maybe I probably got to go here. Let's go back to the landing pad.
I cannot push my wares in these conditions.
Oh, she's going to hide. Okay, we want to go.
Maximum security power at dangerous levels. Systems malfunctioning.
Is there enemies in here? I can't tell. Doesn't look like, looks like it's safe. This is all my friends over here, I guess, eh? No, I can't go back this way. No, I can't. Alright, let's see. And I want to go over there, right? I do. Let's try this. Come on, give it to me. Just not gonna give it to me. Why not? About this way. I don't want to go that way anyway. The place is on fire over that way. Let's see what happens if I just jump.
You know what they say. Happy Emperor, happy Trooper.
That's where I want to go. So there is some enemies here. So, let's see if we can get back to where we want to go. This is where I want to go.
Wandering around out there with the Dimensionator and the map. I'm gonna stop him this time. Good.
That's it? This is it, I guess. I've still got to fight my way through here, aren't I? Oh, I know where I gotta be, though. I gotta be all the way over there, so we have to go around here, right? We gotta go this way, okay. Go this way. Take this. Are these guys... Let's see, where do I want to go? I want to go straight. Really? You guys asked for it. Alright. We want to go this way. And I know where the bolt's at because I saw it in my I saw it in my video. I went right by it. I see there's more bolts over here. And there's a freaking little. Where's he at?
You're going to love this.
Oh, it's raining bolts. Okay, that freaking golden bolt's over here. Right there, see it? It's right there. I don't know how I get over there, but I guess I gotta do this. And then this. There we go.
Shiny.
Alright, now we gotta get out of here. Uh-oh. Well, this is one way out. Alright, so where's my closest fast travel, I guess? It seems like there's one over here somewhere. Where is it? Oh, it's on that platform. Oh, that's where I just came from. Wait a minute. Seems like there's one over here somewhere. This way? Uh-oh.
Maximum security power at dangerous levels. Systems malfunctioning.
Last time I broke out of this place was with Angela. Haven't seen her in a long time.
Where are we going? Am I going the right way? I am not. Well, yeah, close to it. No, we gotta go out this door here. Alright, so where's the little transport thing? Is it here somewhere? There was one, right? It's behind me, this way. Where is it? There it is. See where this goes. Scrapyard.
Yikes! Be back soon!
Alright, and now we want to go this way. Oops. Alright. And I want to go to... Where? Where's the warp thing at? Behind me, it's this way somewhere. Must be this way. Going the right way? No. Oh, this is... Yeah, wait a minute. Hold on a second. No, I want to go the other way. Hold on a second. Screw it up. Screw it up. I want to go this way. Right? I don't think so. I'm lost. This goes to the landing pad. There we go. Okay. Alright. My ship's here. Okay, let's grab this ammo. Is she gonna give me stuff to buy, or is she gonna run and hide? She's not gonna run and hide. That's good. Grab some ammo, stuff before we buy something.
Maximum security power at dangerous levels. Systems malfunctioning.
And this is the little prison, right? We got it. We've said let everybody go free. All right. I know you got everything. So let's call it right here, right? Because my machine, my air flies away. Okay, we're good. So I guess we are pretty much in the end game, and I'm gonna decide whether I want to just go in God mode or not. I might just go in God mode to make it simple. Because like I said, I hate boss fights. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a doozy. All right. So it'll just be a surprise when I come back. If you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.